Hey guys, and welcome back to another unboxing. And I'm going to unbox the OLLOCLIP for iPhone X today. This is the mobile photography box set that they have, and what comes in it is a fisheye lens, a super wide angle lens, and a macro lens. And this is meant specifically for iPhone X. Okay, let's get into the unboxing and see what's inside the box. So we got an instruction manual. We got this cool tripod that they provided you with. Here we have the super wide angle lens. And I don't know if you could tell from the video, but this is actually high quality material. It's all metal and a little bit of plastic here for the springs, as well as the fisheye / macro lens. And the main part is the clip. So the clip clips onto the iPhone and the lenses go inside here so you could hold them. So let me show you how one of the lenses go in. This part has to go inside this hole on top, and then when that's lined up, you use this button and you push it right in, and then you just get the button right here and you clip it onto the phone. Very simple, very easy. I'm going to go out right now and take some pictures and videos, guys, for you, and show you the difference between the macro lens, the fisheye lens, and the wide angle lens. So let's check it out.
Guys, so I'm standing on spot recording the drone. This is without the lens, and this is with the lens. So as you guys could see, huge difference. Let's show you again. With the lens, without the lens. So go by the sign. And here I put the lens. Alright guys, so let me show you how the fisheye looks. So this is without the fisheye, and this is with fisheye. So as you guys could see, you got fisheye effect.
Here are some picture examples for you guys. Alright guys, so those were the videos and the pictures I took for you guys. There was a huge difference in wide angle lens, as you guys could see from the drone footage I shot for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this little video and unboxing. I'll have the OLLOCLIP's box set in my description, so if you guys want to buy this, check them out. This is honestly the only lens set almost available on the market for this price. There's a couple more companies that have lenses, but one lens is $100, and unless you're taking super professional photography, you don't really need that. So this is more like a budget-friendly little set to get 3-in-1 lenses. So like always guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next unboxing. See ya.